Okay, we're going to do a quick clay rendering here in 3D Studio. You can use geometry that's imported from Revit, linked from Revit, but we're just going to do it with some native geometry here. So quickly going to draw a plane, number of boxes. I'm going to drop in a light, standard skylight, anywhere in the scene, W to move it up the Z axis. In the renderer, we're going to make sure we have the scanline renderer selected, and under advanced lighting, we have light tracer selected. Under the environment, which is brought up by 8, pressing 8, you want to make sure the background is white so that this plane is going to disappear into a white background. Finally, we're going to bring up materials, and we're going to make standard architectural material, and we're going to duplicate that 3 times. We're going to call this one white. We're going to call this one green. And then we're going to make this one green. Like that. Make this one white. Okay. So we're going to select all our objects. We're going to turn them all gray for now. Now, if the plane is white, it can disappear into the background of the white background that we made. So we can make this plane a little bit bigger for fun, and we can make one of these buildings green. Okay, now if we hit render, we get the wrong view. If we get the right view and we hit render, we get a perspective with nice soft shadows between those buildings or those objects. And if we want to bring them a little bit closer just to show the soft shadows, we can do that. And you can see the shadows we get there. If we want line work to outline these things, what we can do is switch the renderer from scanline renderer to Quicksilver, and all we need to do is switch the rendering level to hidden line. Hit render. We haven't moved the camera, so we could overlay these two objects or these two images in Photoshop. We take the gray, we invert it, we select only for what would now be black, and overlay those objects, overlay those images, and we'll get a nice soft rendering with some lines on the edges to add more definition. And that's all there is to it.